yan. Pero teka muna. Teka muna. Sabi ng 1 John chapter 4 verse 1, Dear friends, do not believe every spirit, but test the spirits to see whether they are from God. Because many false prophets have gone out into the world. Totoo din naman. No? Hindi lahat na sabi ng Matthew 7, no? Hindi lahat ng tumatawag sa akin Panginoon, Panginoon ay maliligtas, kundi sila lamang na sumusunod sa kalooban ng aking amang nasa langit. Amen? Third spiritual deception in the church is, eto pakinggan niyo po, by merely agreeing with Jesus, by merely agreeing